line with those efforts, marks a significant step forward. Today, we launched a landmark report from UNGC Action Platform on how transition finance can help traditional industries evolve sustainability. We unveil 9 inspiring BRI for SDGs pilot projects, from low carbon innovation and digital education to ethical mining and inclusive village development. We forge new partnerships and investments that supports Indonesia's long-term goals and demonstrate global solidarity through actions. I believe that infrastructure should not only be seen as a construction, but as a connection. I repeat, as a connection. A better road brings more people into opportunity. A better bridge carries more voices into decision making. And better business is that which sees values not just in profit, but in people and planet. To many distinguished leaders here today, your commitment to sustainable development, to bold cooperation, and to ethical innovation is what gives this summit its true meaning. Let this be more than an event. Let it be a movement to build systems based on trust, to regenerate hope where it has faded, and invest in a future where no one is left behind. Thank you very much for walking to this path together.